Hello, this is Vivian. Welcome to Bear Hug Kitchen. Today we're going to make some wonton. Wonton can be served in soup, or can be fried and go with some dipping sauce, or they can be covered by a thin layer of chili oil. They make a splendid snack, or appetizer, or a simple but delicious quick lunch. If the chili oil is homemade, it'll be even better. So let's start it. Fill up a saucepan with water and bring to a boil. Add the spinach and blanch for 30 seconds. This will remove the raw vegetable taste. Finely chop them. Drain them with a cheesecloth or tea towel. If you don't like a spinach, you can use any other green leafy vegetable or kimchi if you like, or simply skip it. Combine all the ingredients, stir it, mix it into a paste, set aside for 30 minutes. Lightly dust the baking sheet with a cornstarch. Fold the skin along the diagonal into a triangle. Press with our fingers to seal. Turn around. Use our fingertips, dip into water and gently smear on the corner of the skin. Bring the two corners together and overlap them, press to seal. Or fold the skin into a rectangle. Use the same way, bring the two corners together, overlap them, press them to seal. Half fill a pot with water and bring to a boil. Add the wontons and cook for 4 to 5 minutes, or until they have floated to the surface and translucent. Use a spoon gently stir it to prevent the wontons stick to the pot. Combine the soy sauce, white vinegar, chili oil, spring onions, coriander together. Use a slotted spoon to scoop out the wonton. Pause above the pot to allow the excess water to drain away. Make sure there's enough room to allow the wontons to separate. Change the water if you are cooking more than one batch. After cooking, the water will get starchy. It will form a sticky coating on the new batch. Put the wontons in a dish. It should be large enough to hold all the wontons in one layer so they will not stick to each other. Sprinkle with the chopped coriander and mix it with the sauce. Usually I make 60 small wontons at a time and leave 20 for the day. Freeze the rest for another 2 meals. The chili oil can also be prepared ahead. So whenever I feel like having a wonton dinner, everything is ready. It's a simple, quick, effortless, good meal. I hope you enjoyed the video. I see you next time.